Hi beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be sharing with you how I made this delicious asun jollof rice, goat meat jollof rice. Without wasting much of your time, let's get into the main video. So firstly, I'll be marinating my goat meat with garlic and ginger paste, onions, seasoning cube, salt, grounded pepper, curry powder, thyme and coriander powder. So I'll mix it so that all the spice will be well incorporated in the meat. I'll be cooking this for some time without adding water. So I'll add in water that will cook the meat till tender. So here my meat is done and I've deboned it, so I'll be cutting it into chunks. That is the one my spoon can carry. I don't need to be cutting it again. I'll cut it into chunks so that when I'm eating the rice, I don't need to fight with the meat. So here are my ingredients that I'll be using for this goat meat rice: tomato, onions, spring onions, green bell pepper, red bell pepper, ginger and garlic paste, the meat itself, soy sauce. So I'll be frying my meat till it's golden brown. After that, here is my pot with groundnut oil, vegetable oil, onions, garlic and ginger paste. I'll let that fry for like a minute before adding the scotch bonnet pepper, my sliced tomato will be going in now. So I'll allow this to fry for some time before adding in the remaining ingredients. Meat stock, and I'll be adding in my well parboiled rice. cover it to cook. If you have watched to this extent and you have not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe, like, share and comment. To our returning subscriber, thank you so much. Thank you for always stopping by. Thank you for the comments. Thank you for the sharing. I really appreciate. So here is my rice. Bring your spoon and your plates. Let me dish yours for you. Join me, guys. So we have come to the end of today's video. See you all in my next one. Bye.